Established in 2003, Shenzhen YUXUNDA Electronics Company Limited is a professional manufacturer which integrates development, production, and marketing in the field of digital printer sublimation machines and consumables. By fast development of our company, the associated YUXUNDA Sunthinks Technology Company Limited is built, which devotes to develop and produce UV flatbed printers with a strong technical strength and independent intellectual property rights. Our products are UV printers, DTG printers, sublimation machines, CISS, chip resetters, and ink. All our products have spread around the world, which is enjoying high reputation owing to the competitive prices, excellent quality, and trusted services. We are always standing on the principle of satisfying the customers, pursuing scientific administration and superior quality by using the latest technology to produce simple, personalized, and environment-friendly products. During the past 17 years, we insist on the operation principle of producing at best quality, trading in thorough honesty. Our superior products quality and excellent skilled service have gained consistent high praise by consumers. With the increasing competition in today's printing and sublimation market, choosing the right solutions at the right cost is the critical, both the quality of your work and your profit. The widest range of products and the most professional services are offered for your printing. ODM and OEM service is welcomed. Welcome your contacts for further details at any time.